Hey everyone, welcome back to Burnt and Delicious. Today we are making the ultimate weeknight dinner. Juicy, golden, garlic butter chicken breast. Simple ingredients, incredible flavor, and ready in just 10 minutes. Let's get cooking! And that's it! Juicy, buttery perfection right here! Let's try it! Fantastic! Great! Delicious! My favorite words, of course. So with this chicken breast, you can make like rice or pasta. It would be greatly combined with any type of food. Let's try one more. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment and press the like button. Your support means a lot. See you in the next one.